this video, let's quickly show you how to write a review for a business on Google. It's very simple, and this applies for both mobile and desktop. Keep in mind, writing a review is only possible if you're signed into a Google account. So to review a business, we first have to find their Google business profile. Oftentimes, businesses will have multiple locations, and it's important to note that each location will have its own unique Google profile. This is why when searching for a business's profile, we're going to add the location at the end of the business name. So let's say I wanted to write a review for our company, which is Elixir Web Marketing. We'll search for the business name, and since we have multiple locations, I'm going to choose Normandy Park. Now we can do this through either Google Search, or you can also do this on Google Maps. You can use the Google Maps app on your phone to search for a profile the same way. If you're in Google Maps, you search for a business and you find the profile as we see here on the left is our profile. You can scroll down and you'll see a review section here where it says write a review. Click that and you can easily choose your star rating out of 5, share some details, and include photos. It's that simple. Post your review and you're done. Heading back to search, since we've searched for our business and the location, you can see we have a profile here on the right. We'll know this is a business profile because you'll see a lot of detail about the company. It'll have a website link. You can see some photos. There's a Google Maps snapshot, and we're able to ask questions as well as write a review. So find the review section on the profile, click write a review, the same as on Maps, and you can fill out your review here. So for one more example on how to do this, let's pretend I want to review my local McDonald's. I'll search for McDonald's, and since I don't know the exact location, I'm just going to go ahead and type near me. And at the top of search, you're going to see your Google Maps, and 3 different businesses will be listed here. You can go ahead and click on more locations if you don't see your desired business, but my local McDonald's will be at the top, so I can click that. It will take us into Google Maps, and you'll see the profile will pull up here. We have some photos to look at the business, and if we scroll down a little bit, you'll see 3 tabs. So we can go over to the review tab and look at the reviews and write our own here. Click the write a review button, and the same as before, choose your star rating, add some details, photos, and you're done. And as well as here on the review tab, I believe you can just scroll down like before, and you'll see the reviews here as well, and the write a review button.